Some law entrance exams are already over, and if you want to join a top law college, then NLSIU Bangalore, that option is still pending with you. In the next 1 month बहुत अच्छे से आप उसकी तैयारी कर सकते हो. Try to practice as many questions as possible for this examination, because this is one examination that does not test you on your prior knowledge of law. इसमें आपको लॉ कितना आता है ये नहीं पूछा जाता. Rather, it tests you on your reasoning and your interpretation skills, and that can be done with practice. So do optimum amount of practice in the next few days that we have for this examination. We have already provided you with a lot of practice material on our website, and our test series is also there. All the mocks in the test series have now been released. These mocks get evaluated by me. I evaluate the part B answers, and if you want to write down the answers, you can even send the answers to me. You can upload your images of the answers, or you can directly WhatsApp your answers to me for evaluation based on the test series that you take. So I would say make the most of your time right now by practicing, so that you don't regret it later. I've been mentoring so many students, and I see so many of them coming later to tell me that they did not practice much, or they weren't very serious. They gave one examination seriously, like CUET PG happened recently कि CUET PG दिया और उसके बाद भूल गए सब कुछ, examination अच्छे से नहीं हुआ, so then they give up, or they don't get that motivation to prepare for other exams. I want you guys to not make that same mistake. Just practice as much as possible in the next 20-25 days that you have for your NLSAT examination, and you will be able to come out with flying colors.